Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I have something very special for you guys today, and I'm so happy to be given this opportunity by Google and Samsung to create this content. You guys know I love fashion, and I've been creating fashion content on my YouTube channel since I started. But one thing I've been wanting to do is to do like a very glammed, high-end fashion lookbook. So we are going to be shooting out in the real world and wearing fabulous outfits. And I'm gonna be using the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4. And as you guys can see, it does stand on its own. So I can take so many different angles, and I'm gonna be using it to definitely get those editorial looks. This is about to be a moment, because I'm gonna be that girl. Let's go see the looks. I'm so excited to be showing you guys this lookbook that I'm creating. I've been talking about elevating my style and just being more daring with my fashion. And as you guys know, I also started my clothing line. But your girl has been kind of, afraid to step out of my comfort zone. So this year, my goal is to come out of my comfort zone, but still be comfortable in what I'm wearing. So the game plan is to do 4 looks at 4 different locations. And let me show you guys some of the outfits that I have in mind. First piece here I have that I might use is this gorgeous long trench denim jacket that has shoulder pads, and I love me a shoulder pad moment, okay? And then I have this gorgeous purple dress, or I want to wear this playful pink crop ruffle top, but I'm not so sure which one I want to wear. And my sister has a great sense of style, so I kind of want to call her up and ask her what she thinks. Hey Google, video call Stella. Hey sis. I am doing a photo shoot today at the park. I want you to help me pick out an outfit because I don't know what I'm gonna wear.
Okay, I would love to.
So I have this 2 option. I have the purple dress, which I really love, but then I have this ruffled pink top, which I love as well, and I don't know which one I should go with. Which one would you pick?
I think I would have to go with the purple. It looks beautiful in your skin.
Okay, I think I might just do that. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Bye, love you. And one last thing I really want to show you guys is this gorgeous leopard print hat. And as you guys can see, this is dramatic, and this is definitely me. So I'm gonna definitely be using this. All right, so I got my looks and I'm ready for my shoot. So let's go ahead and get going. I am out here in downtown LA at the Flower District, and I wanted to show that high fashion can happen anywhere. And the reason why I picked the plant shop is because I grew up basically in the farm helping my mom and my grandparents back in Nigeria. So I really wanted to be in this store because it just brings back memories. And I'm also rocking my Ankara from Nigeria because that is part of my culture. For my makeup, I wanted to take inspiration from the Ankara piece because being Nigerian, we love to be very matchy-matchy. So I decided to take like the teal from the fabric and implement it as the eyeliner and a bit of that orange brownish shade on my lid. I've always wanted to take some cool editorial photos, but I haven't been able to do so because I haven't had help. But because of the flex cam on the Z Flip 4, it makes it super easy for me to angle it high or low for that editorial look that I'm looking for. I can do this all on my own with the Google Assistant, and all I have to say is, hey Google, take a selfie. Hey Google, take a selfie. So like I told you guys, we are gonna be in everyday location, and right now we are at the laundromat. And the reason why I decided to do the laundromat is because I grew up in Nigeria where we did have to wash everything with our hands, and then moving to the States and being introduced to the washer, that was the most awesome thing ever. And one of the reasons why I decided to pair it with white is because it is daring and it is clean. Music always gets me in the right mood for a photo shoot. So let's take some photos.
Y'all ready for this?
and it is super easy to edit my favorite photos. I'm so excited about this look because I am wearing one of my favorite colors, which is purple. And I did pair it with a tulle skirt that is a lighter purple. As you guys can see, it's very playful. And the bows just remind me of being a young girl. Hey Google, take a photo. Growing up in Nigeria, the way that I was able to enjoy high fashion looks is by looking at magazines. That just kind of inspired me. I am at my last location in downtown LA. When I was growing up, my entire bedroom was decorated in leopard print. So I wanted to implement that into this photo shoot because this is bringing back so much memories. And I wanted to sport something very bold. Hey Google, take a selfie.
Wear it like that, move it like that, like it like. Do it like that, kiss it like that, making it fast, fast, bring it right back. Wear it like that, move it like that, like it like. Do it like that, kiss it like that, making it fast, fast, bring it right back. Wear it like that, move it like that, like it like that. Like that, like that. Do it like that, do it like that.
I had so much fun creating this video for you guys, so thank you so much to Google for helping me create this one-of-a-kind lookbook. I was able to get so many angles all by myself. Be sure to check out the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 and make sure to share your photos using the hashtag Team Android. I cannot wait to show you guys some of my favorite photos that I took today, so check them out.
OMG.
Thank you for watching, and remember to always be your own kind of beautiful.